everybody, and welcome to a new video. I got a fun video for everybody today. We are opening up the Crazy Aaron's Putty Discovery Kit, and we're going to check out and see what's inside, and then we're going to check out and see what each different putty does. I enjoyed opening up this kit and checking it out. There's a lot of cool things inside, a lot of different experiments that you can do with the putties. It was a lot of fun, and the kids enjoyed doing some of the experiments and checking it all out. I found this kit at Costco last time I was there. When I was getting groceries. I usually go through the book section, and this was there, so I thought, why not? Let's check it out. I have Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty already. I have one can of it. But I've always wanted to try the different putties that he has, and I seen that sitting on the shelf, so I grabbed it and picked it up, and we are going to check it out today for this video. So it comes with two books. One's English, one's French. The books talk about what each of the different putties are, different experiments that you can do with the putties, fun facts, challenges, all kinds of cool, interesting things in the books to do. I like that it came with the kits because the kids could sit down and read it and learn about the putties, learn about science facts, and learn about experiments that they can do with the putties. So once I took a look at the books, I started to check out what else is in the kit. Now, there are 4 different putties that come with this kit, some rollers to make different designs in the putty, a magnet, and a blacklight. So there's Majestic, Gold Brush, Hothead, and Epic Putty. 4 different kinds of putties. We are going to open each can and check out the different putties and see what each one of them does. So the first putty we're going to open up is the Majestic Putty. This was a very neat putty to work with. This putty is the putty that the light is for. If you hold up the light to the putty, it turns the putty purple, and it also makes it glow in the dark. You can see around the purple spot that's forming when you shine the light on it that it's a little bit of green because it's been activated, and if you turn the light off, you'd be able to see how it will glow in the dark. Now, the longer you hold the light to the putty, the darker the purple that you will see. You can the book suggests playing games like tic-tac-toe, making skeletons that glow in the dark, fun stuff like that. I thought this was really neat that it had this effect. You could shine the light over the putty and try to activate as much of the putty as possible to have it a nice glow in the dark, or even purple with the light on. So I'm going to shut the lights off and show you guys what it looks like when the lights are off. Show the glow in the dark feature. It was really cool. The kids had a lot of fun playing with this putty. The second putty that I opened up was the Epic Putty. This putty changes color with heat. So if you were to play with it, and your body temperature would make it warmer, so it will change the color from purple to pink. The third putty I opened up was the Hot Head Putty. This putty was tough. It's a lot tougher. The more you try to stretch it, the tougher it gets. And we did a fun experiment where we rolled it into like a snake and twirled it, and it would rise up. It's a really interesting effect. So the fourth and last putty that I opened up is the Gold Rush Putty. This putty has iron filings in it, and it is attracted to magnets. Now, if you set a magnet next to the putty, it causes the putty to move towards the magnet and surround the magnet, which is really, really neat to watch. I have here a time lapse of the putty swallowing up the magnet. Here is my unboxing of the Crazy Errands Putty Discovery Kit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, leave a like and tell me which of the 4 putties is your favorite putty in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and have an amazing day.